Hello students, in the last video we will discuss about what is a polynomial is and the different types of polynomial. Now in this video, as I promised you in the last video, we will discuss about NCERT exercise 2.1. So our question number 1 is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So first part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So here the variable is given, constant is also given, that is 4, 3 and 7. Mathematical operators are multiply, minus and plus. The power is non-negative integer. So this is a polynomial and only one variable is used, that is x. So yes, the expression, yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in one variable. So second part, you have to just check the basics of polynomial that we have already discussed in the previous video. That is, if to become a polynomial, and there must be constant, variable, mathematical operator and non-negative integer exponent, non-negative integer exponent. So the second part is y square plus root 2. So here the constant is root 2, variable is y, mathematical operator is plus, and the power is non-negative integer. So it is, yes, it is a polynomial and only one variable is used. So it is a polynomial in one variable. Now the third part is 3 root 2 plus t root 2. Now the problem arises that the given algebraic expression, जो ये हमें algebraic expression दी हुई है, ये polynomial नहीं है. No, it is not a polynomial. But the reason behind this is that exponent of the variable in the given polynomial is not a whole number. ये whole number नहीं है. देखिएगा 3 की पावर 2, तो t की पावर क्या हो गई यहाँ पे, हाफ. रूट मीन्स द पावर इज हाफ, तो पावर इंटीजर मतलब ये होल नंबर में नहीं है. सर इधर भी तो नहीं थी बेटा, वेरिएबल की पावर होल नंबर होनी जरूरी है, कांस्टेंट की पावर कुछ भी हो सकती है, पर वेरिएबल की पावर ओनली नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर एक्सपोनेंट हो सकती है. तो लिखेंगे रीजन. तो रीजन क्या लिखेंगे, because the exponent or power of variable is not a whole number. Next part, fourth part, y plus 2 divided by y. So we all know when the number is in divide and we have to bring it above, so power become negative. So it is 2y into y plus 2 into y की power minus 1. So now the power is negative, but we have to, it's non-negative. The rule is non-negative integer exponent. तो ये भी polynomial नहीं है. तो no, it is also not a polynomial because power is negative, not a polynomial because power is negative. Now the fifth part, x की पावर 10 plus y की पावर 3 plus t की पावर 50. Here it is polynomial, but it is a polynomial in 3 variable. So what we will write? Yes, it is a polynomial, but in a 3 variable. Yes, it is polynomial, but in 3 variable. So the basic concept is a polynomial is an expression which has constant variable mathematical operator and non-negative integer exponent. So I think आप लोगों को ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया होगा. नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. So now second question is, write the coefficient of x square. We have to write the coefficient. So what is coefficient? Coefficient of x square. जिस भी नंबर का, जिस भी वेरिएबल का कोफिशिएंट पूछा जाएगा, इन दिस क्वेश्चन द एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट पूछा गया है, तो एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ जो भी चीज मल्टीप्लाई होगी, इफ इट इज 3x स्क्वायर देन 3 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x स्क्वायर, सो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज बी 3. जिसका भी कोफिशिएंट पूछा जाएगा तो जो चीज उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगी, वेदर 4xy, इफ वी हैव टू राइट द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y वी विल राइट 4x, वी विल राइट 4x. जो भी चीज उस वेरिएबल के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगी वो उस वेरिएबल की क्या कहलाएगा? कोफिशिएंट. तो द राइट द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द एक्स स्क्वायर इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 2 plus x square plus x. तो here x square is multiplied by 1, so the coefficient of x square is 1. So here coefficient of x square is 1. In this part x square is multiplied by -1, so coefficient of x square here it is -1. In third part the coefficient of x square is pi divided by 2, and in fourth part sorry it is wrong, root 2x minus 1. So here no x square is there, so we will assume that the coefficient of x square will be 0. So here the solution of question number second. Now we will do question number third. So look at question number third. So now question number third is, give one example each of binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. So we have to write a binomial of degree 35. So what is a binomial? Binomial is that polynomial. Binomial is that polynomial which has two terms. And the degree is, what is degree? What is degree? Degree is highest power. Degree is highest power. So what we have to give one example of a binomial, matlab means two terms, polynomial with two terms and highest power 35. So binomial of degree 35 will be x की पावर 35 plus 100, x की पावर 35 plus 100, 3x की पावर 35 minus 9, under root 2 y की पावर 35 plus 20. These all are the example of a binomial which have two terms and the highest power is 34. And a monomial of degree 100. So what is a monomial? A monomial is a polynomial with only one term. So example will be x की power 100, y की power 100, t की power 100 and so on. So now look at question number 4. So now question number 4 is, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So we have already discussed what is the degree. Degree is the highest power. Degree is the highest power of the variable of a variable in given polynomial. In given polynomial. So in this polynomial the highest power is 3. So the degree will be 3. In this polynomial the highest power is 2. So degree will be 2. Third part 5t minus root 2. In this polynomial the highest power is 1. So degree will be 1. Now this is a constant polynomial and we have already discussed that a constant polynomial degree will be 0, in which no variable is there. So we will put the variable power will be 0, because the variable power, if the variable power is 0, when we put it 1, so 3 into 1, that is will be 3. So its degree will be 0. So now this is question number 4. Now we will do last question of exercise 2.1. So look at question number 5th. So now look at question number 5th. So question number 5th is classify the following as linear, quadratic and a cubic polynomial. So first we will discuss what is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial. When we divide, when we classify the polynomials on the basis of its degree, then the polynomial with degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. With the degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. With degree 3 it is known as cubic polynomial. So we have to classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. So we see the degrees. So here degree will be 2. Degree is the highest power. Degree will be highest power of the variable. So here it is 2. So if degree is 2, then the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Okay. Here it is degree 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. Here the degree is highest power is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Here degree is 1. In fourth part the degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Here is also degree 1. So it is also a linear polynomial. Here degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Now here degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. So it's exercise 2.1 is completed. अगर आप लोगों को मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ समझ आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ शेयर करिएगा, लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा और नीचे सब्सक्राइब का जो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है उस पर क्लिक करिएगा और जो साथ में बेल आइकन है उस पर क्लिक करिएगा ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको मिल सके, नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके और नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम बनाएंगे एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज 2.2 पे. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच.